Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a resume on your Claude AI. Now, first and foremost, guys, you need to make sure that you're connected to the internet. So quickly, I'll just go ahead and connect to my internet over here. So making a resume on Claude AI, we shall give it a prompt like SARS. Now, first of all, give it the details about the resume you want. Make for me a resume applying for a um, accountant job. So this is the prompt you're gonna use. Say make for me a regime fit for applying for an accountant job. So that hit the send. After hitting the send, you then wait for the answer from Cloud AI. Basically, it will lay out for you how the resume will look like. As you can see, guys, it shows you the basic info, your name, phone number, email, location, and city. Then education background, preferably should have one of these courses, CPA, if at all you're applying for this accountant job. So basically, that's how to make a resume on Cloud AI. Subscribe.